Hello everybody, so today I will talk about trigonometry. The topic today is simplify this equation. So I will show the technique how to answer the questions. We have the formula. That's about tan A plus B equals to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A multiplied with tan B. So we will apply this formula in this situation. We change this one into this one. So we will got about tan 45 plus tan 3 over 2. So we have 1 minus tan 45 tan theta over 2. We know that tan 45 equals to number 1. So we change for number 1 in here. Next, we have the formula again. Tan we have sine theta over 2 over cosine theta over 2. So we will apply this formula in this situation. Next, we multiply both sides with cosine theta over 2. In numerator and denominator. So cosine theta over 2 multiplied with number 1, cosine theta over 2 multiplied with sine theta over 2 with cosine theta over 2. You will go about cosine theta over 2 plus sine theta over 2, similar for this one. The next one, we have sine theta equals to 2 sine theta over 2. So we have one, that's about equal cosine theta 2 over 2 to the power of 2. So we change this one into this one. And sine theta we change to this one. And now we have cosine theta over 2 square plus sine theta over 2 square minus 2 sine theta over 2 cosine theta over 2. We will put about cosine theta over 2 minus sine theta over 2, everything to the power of 2. Next, about cosine theta, we have the formula. That's about cosine theta over 2 to the power of 2 minus sine theta over 2 to the power of 2. We change for this formula again. In this situation, we will have a power 2 minus b power 2. You got about cosine theta over 2 plus sine theta over 2 multiply with cosine theta over 2 minus sine theta over 2. And now we change this one for this formula. As you can see that we have cosine theta over 2 minus sine theta over 2 simplify with cosine theta over 2 minus sine theta over 2. So you got about this one without the power 2, and this is simplified. Now as you can see that we have cosine theta over 2 plus sine theta over 2 on numerator and denominator. Similar for cosine theta over 2 minus sine theta over 2 on denominator and numerator. So we can simplify together, and the answer for the question here is about number 1. This is the final result. That's the end. Thank you for watching.